Hi, my name's Tim and I'm from Shen Health. Today I'm going to introduce you to the many wonderful, fantastic things about Chinese medicine has to offer. Welcome to How to Perform Cupping Therapy. Today we're going to be doing cupping on this gentleman who's presenting with an old sports injury. Cupping therapy is very good for stagnant pain from sports-related injuries. And in this situation we're going to apply some cups over the local area. And what you should notice is that where the cups have been placed, you're going to get these big circles that can last on the body for a long time. So it's very important that we get permission from the person we're doing cupping on to make sure they're aware of this possibility. The cupping marks generally last for about 3 to 4 days and can last up to a week. But generally speaking, 3 to 4 days is fairly common. So I'm going to get a piece of cotton wool in some lockable forceps and soak it in surgical spirit, making sure that the excess spirit is rubbed away. I'm going to close the bottle before lighting because it's a fire hazard. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the flame to create a vacuum in the cup and then use that to apply it to the skin. So here we go. So we're going to use smaller cups around the big bony joints, and the bigger cups to work on the larger areas where there's more flesh. I can do that again.
Yeah, do that one again. Stand by. When you're ready.
The effect of having suction on the skin is going to pull blood deeper down to the surface of the body and also start nourishing muscles that have been very tight and adhesed for a long period of time. So particularly for sports injuries and long-term injuries, it can provide to be a very valuable form of treatment. Bear in mind that it's very important within all forms of Chinese medicine that you have a full diagnosis, so it's not applied universally for everybody and can be performed slightly differently in different situations for different diagnoses. So we've left the cups on for about 20 minutes and already we can see there's some nice purple coming through from these areas here, which is showing us where this is where the most accumulation has happened in the muscles, where there's the least blood flow through. So we're just going to take the cups off now. So it may look as though he's been attacked by an octopus, but we can see that if we just turn around slightly, this in particular, this area is where the most stagnation is. And so it'd be an area that we'd want to look at in the future, and then we can work with tuina, acupuncture, and so on and so forth. Or he can work and treat himself with things like gua sha. This is how to perform cupping therapy.